बहुत सारा सामान आज बनाने के लिए। Cookie cheesecake. This is, I've already made this before. I have made this in microwave. Didn't turn out. I mean, it turned out okay. But today I'm trying an air frying recipe. All of the things that are there is just like a mess right now. Okay, let's start. Cookie batter लग रहा है कुछ ऐसा. Honestly, not that bad. पिछली बार जैसा बनाया था वो थोड़ा ब्राउन था because obviously मैंने बटर को I had cooked it and it turned out like a very golden brown butter. So the batter was looking a little brownish, but this is also not bad. So yeah, cornstarch डाल दे रहे हैं. लास्ट टाइम भी cornstarch ही डाला. रेडी है हमारा चीज़ केक बैटर. भाई लास्ट टाइम गलती ये कर दिया था कि इसको विस्क करने की जगह इसको whip कर दिया था, तो it did not turn out well. I mean, it turned out well, but वो brown the bask, the burnt basically top, it did not come out that well. तो इधर है भाई हमारा कुकी डो, इधर है हमारा चीज़ केक बैटर. एक्स्ट्रा एडेड एक्टिविटीज. ये है भाई हमारा लाइनर और पार्चमेंट पेपर लगा दिया है. दिस इज सिलिकॉन बेस्ड मोल्ड फॉर द एयर फ्रायर. लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो वी बेक्ड इट इन द माइक्रोवेव एज आई टोल्ड बिफोर, बट दिस टाइम एयर फ्राई ट्राई कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी इफ दिस टर्न्स आउट एग्जैक्टली हाउ आई इमेजिन इट इन माई माइंड. पूरा किचन नहीं दिखा रहे हैं बिकॉज नॉट एस्थेटिक. Only these parts I'm showing because these are actually like useful parts. ये हमने मंगाया था ब्लिंकिट से सिलिकॉन मोल्ड फॉर द एयर फ्रायर. इसके अंदर एक पेपर पार्चमेंट लगा है, बटर पेपर पार्चमेंट, so it's easier for me to extract. Cookie dough is set in this. I'll also pour the mixture in some time. Also, air frying is being heated on 190 degrees for 5 minutes, and then we'll just put it and then air fry it for 15 minutes or so, give or take. I'll again list down in the recipes and everything, but the entire thing will be in the description. तो ये है पूरा breakdown. That is the entire thing. बर्तन used. ये we have poured the batter cheesecake batter पूरा. It is now resting. कचरा इतना waste हुआ है हमारा that we have put it in this. And yeah, just waiting for the air fryer to preheat. So then I can just pour this in that. भाई जो भारी एक मिस्टेक मैंने की वो ये है कि मैंने सिलिकॉन का मोल्ड ले लिया and then I poured it everything in that, and then when I tried to actually put it in the basket, it was just not fitting in. It was not fitting in, I mean, because it was silicone mold, it was keep on tilting, and I ended up with this, which I did not want. So if you are trying to bake it in silicone, it's better to bake it in microwave or OTG or whatever you have. Shifting this to now OTG. तो जुगाड़ लगा के कर दिया है इसके अंदर. We have put this our cheesecake is raw right now in this and then being air fried, but let's see how it turns out. हमने कुछ लाइनर्स मंगाए थे एयर फ्रायर के लिए, एंड ये हमारा एक और सिलिकॉन मोल्ड है. ये आया है एक में ऑलरेडी चीज़ केक बेक हो रहा है, एक एक्स्ट्रा है. सब कुछ जो भी चीज़ें इसमें यूज़ हुई हैं चीज़ केक के अंदर, एवरीथिंग इज़ फ्रॉम Zepto and Blinkit. Did not go anywhere in the purchase. Some of the things I already had. So guys, moment of truth. The house smells amazing. Let's see. My god, look at this, is jiggling. I'm so happy. Air fryer was not a bad choice after all. Look at this, look at this. Okay, what we will do is we'll let it sit this in this temperature for another like an hour or so until it gets cold. Then we'll take this out, transfer this into the fridge, and when it is cold we will cut it, serve it, and also porter it to some of my friends who we've been asking for this for a very long time. So yeah, guys, super happy how it turned out. Everything is amazing, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you I'm not sure, that's just I tried so much to make it more like a very cafe quiet, Pinteresty aesthetic sort of a vibe in a video, but I guess it's the opposite of it. And I hope you also enjoyed this messy video, as I don't know how I think this is as messy as it gets. So thank you for watching. I am not very consistent with video. I do cook a lot, I do bake a lot, but I forget to shoot a lot of times, and yeah, I want to be consistent. I'll try to be very consistent about all of the things that I cook, and share very easy to cook chaotic recipes that you can try at your home without buying XYZ things from Blinkit or Zepto. Not too much load on your pocket. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or subscribe. So gives me an encouragement to be consistent, but no pressure. Thank you so much. See you next time.